Hello, my name is Henry Rodriguez and I'm here to present my Model 2 speech, Let Me Teach You Something. Are you wondering what I'm teaching you today? Well, let me teach you about macronutrients that go into our food. Food? No, not just food. Macronutrients that go into our food. You might be thinking, what could that be? Well, let me tell you. I made this handout for my audience today that includes carbohydrates, protein, and fat. It's listed below, some foods, some tips, some of that good stuff for you. So you can follow along with me. Here you go. Thank you. Alright, let's get it started today. Carbohydrates. Many people think about how much simple sugars, starch, fiber, they're all right. That's what they are. Carbohydrates are essential for our diet. They help us maintain stability, homeostasis, and the short-term energy storage that when they come in, they go out. For example, some of the foods that include beans, rice, potatoes, starchy vegetables as corn, pumpkin, and red potatoes fall under that. Those starchy vegetables take a little longer to digest than regular vegetables. And some other vegetables that includes broccoli, lettuce, tomato, and some fruit, sugar, and honey. As I was saying, carbohydrates are essential to keep and maintain a homeostasis diet. You might be thinking, what's that? A safe diet that keeps us intact. Proteins. Now that we've gone over carbohydrates, I can move on to proteins. Proteins are essential for our diet to help the body repair and keep the body intact and build muscle. Ever wonder why you can't build muscle? You're not having enough protein. Protein is essential for our body. Body uses it in a longer stage storage, usually derived to our different parts of our body. Protein can fall under different categories: meat, fish, some seafood, eggs, dairy, and nuts and soy. Some meats include beef, chicken, pork, lamb, and dairy food would be something that's rich on carbohydrates and protein. Usually when you do a little mixture of both. Did you know avocado is the highest protein fruit that there is? 91% of it's protein. So you want to get ripped, you want to learn something, avocado is the way to go. Last but not least, fat. You might be thinking, fat, that's no good for you. In reality, too much of it's not good for you. But a balanced diet between fat and all the other macronutrients, protein and carbohydrates, is just right for you. Too much fat can lead up to heart failure and heart problems in the future. So let's get it started. Fat, also known as lipids, not just fat. It falls into two major categories: saturated and unsaturated. Let me start with saturated. That's not too good for you, so you might want to stay a little away from them. It includes meat fat, butter, margarine, and some dairy products that are considered full fat. Not just water-based, but full fat on them. Coconut oil, peanut oil, and fried food. Ever wonder why you eat a lot of fried food, you don't feel good? It's because it's high on that stuff. It's not good for you. The body doesn't take it in as well. It has a hard time digesting it, but it's a longer term of energy storage, but it's not that good for you. Other fat that may be good for your body is unsaturated fat. It's not as concentrated on the regular fat. It's more reduced, and in some cases, it's better for you. It includes fish, nuts, avocados, and some vegetable oils that the body uses. And some labels, it marks it down as reduced fat. That would be unsaturated. And it's better to keep a diet between unsaturated protein and carbohydrates rather than all four. Well, that's my 2 cents for today. Thank you.